Welcome back to the channel, peoples. It's been a hot minute since I been recording anything. I just didn't feel like it. I want to get out and ride. I don't want to record for y'all when I'm just, want to ride my bike and chill and everything and have a good time and enjoy life without recording, because it's just more fun this way. So we riding out here in Amherst from the suburbs to the hood. It's gonna be a long trip. I gotta go down the sidewalk here on Transit because these people be going 50 miles an hour and my bike can't keep up with that. So I can go about 34, but I can't keep up with traffic. So in the bike lane, the little bit of it is just, filled with debris and drainage holes, and so I'm just going to roll on the sidewalk for a little bit until I get to my designated turnoff. So we're going to slow roll. Oh, there's another bike coming, but I'll get in the grass. Oh, he pulled over, I think. I think he saw me coming. Oh, she saw me coming. She was on a cruiser. I like that. So like I said, I haven't been recording. I just been riding. I think I went about 7 or 8 rides without recording, but this is something I normally don't do. I'm about 10 miles away from the crib. Not really a long way, but it's hot out here today. So, and plus I gotta make one more stop before I end the trip. Now, I'm not going this way, but the sidewalk is not finished over there, so I gotta cut through the plaza here just to get back on the sidewalk. Oh, excuse me. That was a little cough that tried to come out. School of Rock. All right, we're cutting through this little strip mall here. And now we're back on the sidewalk. Sorry about the road noise. There's nothing I can do about that. But see, now you know why I'm on the sidewalk. You see how many cars that are up there on the road? That many cars on the road doesn't make me nervous, but it's just safer. Well, it does make me nervous. It's more opportunity to get hit if someone's not paying attention, so it's best to go 10 miles an hour, 12 miles an hour down the sidewalk and be safe where there's hardly any people walking. And these sidewalks out here are relatively pretty good. I got a lot of extra weight on me today because anytime I go more than 20 miles, which I am doing today, I got tools, I got extra shit, I got water, change of clothes, just in case I sweat out. But you guys, you got to get an e-bike or even a regular bike. It will get you outside. Oh, that was nice. I think that was a 57 Chevy that just rolled by. I don't know if you can see it. You do see a lot of that out here in the suburbs, out here in the Amherst area. The people will bring out their old classic cars just to get that oil moving in them. Oh, this sidewalk is not finished. See, I didn't come this way this morning. I went a different way. So, gotta do some off-roading here. Missed that big ass hole. Yep, like I always say, you gotta be on your P's and Q's out here. I can smell that Domino's from across the street, and it's making me hungry because I really haven't ate too much today. I could have ordered. Oh, that's a country club right there you don't normally see. Let's ride in the parking lot. I'm not going to get close to it, but just for shits and giggles, let's just ride in the parking lot, see if anybody runs out. Oh my God, there's a black man over there. Transit Valley. That's golf course. Rich white people shit. That's what all this is out here. Rich white people shit. I call it as I see it, you know. Normally I would venture back there, but no, not today. Excuse me, I might need some water. I'm gonna stop in the shade, get some water in a little bit. Because it's hot out here, y'all. It's hot for Buffalo. Now, I see a lot of channels from Florida and they say it's hot. But it doesn't get this hot in Buffalo. If it's 90 degrees in Buffalo, that's rare. Usually we might get into the summertime temperatures are pretty cool around here though. There's a guy across the street with his flat bike, going about the same speed I am. Nice and slow, chill. But anyway, getting back to the weather. If it's 90 degrees in Buffalo, that's an extremely hot day. Now in Florida, it might be a little bit different when you're used to the 90s, but up here, we're not used to the 90s. Uh-oh. Gotta do some more off-roading here. Alright, pick a lane. That's the second one I come across. I wish they hurry up and get those fixed. It's gonna be perfect weather for it. Oh, these are not all the way done here. Oh, there was a piece of glass right there too. I just missed. I just missed it. One of them shards, a piece of shard glass, and it's just the perfect cut for tire reduction. But these bad boys here I got on my bike, man, it might have handled it. I don't know how well, but I'm sure glad I missed that piece. Oh, we got some more dead sidewalk here. That's the third one on this trip so far. And we're about to have a fourth one, but I can't go in the street. So we're gonna do a little off-roading up here. Like how I did that. Alright, this side's fixed up. I'm down to 44, 50% left on the battery. I rode around 10 miles this morning, so to have this much left on a hot day is pretty impressive. So if I can get on average, well, this is a optimal day for a battery. It's nice and warm out here. So it's going to perform a little bit better because it's in this optimal range, you know. But I'm very impressed to get this far. Oh, there goes another dead sidewalk, so we'll cut through the lawyer's office's parking lot here. All right. There's Papa John's right there. I hate Papa John's. Like, Papa John's is like the worst pizza. It's cardboard pizza, so I wouldn't eat it. I mean, if I had to, I wouldn't be too inclined to eat cardboard pizza. Just put it like that. All right, we're cutting through the KeyBank branch parking lot. We're about a third of where we need to be. I got to get to the other side of the street because the sidewalk ends here. So I don't get killed. I get on this side. And we'll stop right here, get a sip of water. Because like I said, it's a hot day. So how you guys been doing? You guys been doing okay? Everything copacetic your way? Hope you're having a fine summer. I have. I got over 270 miles this year on the bike. Which it says 169 right now on the screen, but I had to reset it at 100 miles. I think it was 101, 102. when I ran through some water and the screen went crazy, but ever since the screen is dried out and everything, and I made my wire connections a little bit better, I haven't had any problems with the screen. But now I know it's just to put 100 on what it says on the screen. So I got 169 right now, going on 170. So I add 100 to it. And I did have a specific goal this year as far as miles is concerned. I'm not going to divulge that. I'll just make a video when I hit it. So we started riding in April, and it's been, that month was really only about 2 or 3 rides because the weather was not cooperating at all. The weather really didn't start cooperating until the end of May, around my birthday. And I started really riding almost maybe 3 or 4 times a week, and the miles just add up. You'd be surprised how many miles you can get on your bikes. Like, I encourage people to get one of these bikes, man. I highly recommend it, whether you do it yourself, DIY it, get you a kit off of Amazon, choose your bike, slap it on there. It's not hard, trust me. If I can do this, anybody can do it. You know what's funny? I get more looks from girls when I'm riding my bike than I do when I'm driving my damn car. But I do got a hoopty for a car though. But see, that's another reason to get a bike. You can see just about anything. You see stuff you'll never think you'll see, like you didn't know existed when you're riding these e-bikes. They go to Ice Cream Man. The Ice Cream Man was kind of tooted up, if you know what I'm saying. The ice cream truck was kind of bossy, man. He might skirt on the kids when he go give them some ice cream. Skirt, skirt. I like that ice cream truck. The ice cream truck was kind of boss. Hope I got it right on someone's grass, which I don't like to do, but I didn't have any choice there. You see that one girl that was riding in the street? Now, I'm not going to do that because the bike lane, even though it's wide right here, it condenses up the street. So that's why I'm riding on the sidewalk. I'm going to get right back on the sidewalk too. If I was in a rush, I would probably be in the street if I had to get where I had to get to. Yeah, I'd be on the street. This is not too much traffic. But since it's hot out here, man, and I'm not used to this heat as far as riding my bike in it for a long period of time, I'm gonna slow roll on the sidewalk. And speaking of slow roll, I got a idea the other day. I think it was like a Tuesday. No, it was Monday. It was last Monday. I'm gonna get on the street. Turn on my light. The road is too small. Like, the bicycle lane is not really a bicycle lane. It's way too small. So I'm not going to be out there, even though I should. I'm just going to stay safe and roll this way. Now, when I get on the street I'm supposed to be on, Hopkins, they got a nice bike lane. But this bike lane is a little bit too small for my taste. Alright, we gotta stop for this ride here. Let him go do his business. This one's gonna have to wait for me. Woodstream Farms. Now, if I wasn't in a kind of hurry, I am in a kind of hurry today, I would run through there and see what the fuck is back there, because that's the kind of dude I am. I'm an explorer, man. Uh-oh, they working on that house. Finally. It's kind of hard to see these houses from behind the hedges. Yeah, that one needs some work, all right. That's a beautiful home right there to my right, but you can't see it because of the trees, but I can see it. And if you're driving, you're not going to be able to see it. Especially at night, you're not going to be able to see that at all. Yep, a little slow roll today. For those of you who tune into this channel hoping to see speed, not going to see it. I'm sorry. Not going to happen. I know my boy, e-bike guy, he be rolling in them streets. But I ain't him. And I ain't trying to be no one but me. I love his channel. And I love the fact that he's able to go so fast on his e-bike. And I give him a lot of props. And I give him his flowers. But that's not me, man. I'm the old slow cruise guy who's just trying to get back and forth safely. So that being safe is more important to me than speed. But when I do make some trips that you guys haven't seen before, I'll record them for you. But most of my trips have been the same. Mundane, going to the store, making food runs. You've seen those before. So I'm not going to bother you with those. But if I do some different, like today is totally different. I don't think I have this type of video or this type of trip on my channel. And these videos are hard to make, they're hard to edit. So if you're watching this video, you got this far, you're a real MVP. And hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It means a lot. Even though people say they don't mean it, nah, man, it means a lot that you take the time out your day to watch somebody's channel. So thank you again for watching the channel. I appreciate y'all. It doesn't go unnoticed. And now I'm down to 20%. That's what I just noticed. Oh, now I'm down to 18. I think I'm gonna have to swap batteries out. Going up that hill, yeah, it almost shut off right there. I'll show you guys in a second because I gotta stop and get on this road over here. But yep, I'm gonna have to swap out some batteries. Yeah, now it's up to 36, but I'm gonna have to wait. I have to wait for traffic because I'm going this way. Grab another drink of water. Oh, that was just Voltic sad. It's hot out here, guys. It is hot out here. This morning was kind of cool, but this afternoon it got hot. some traffic out here. I'm going down that road right there in front of you. I'm going down that road, so I had to wait. It's a little shortcut I found today that keeps me off the more roads that have traffic on them. So I'm trying to avoid traffic. I can go all the way down this road to Hopkins. Sorry about that, y'all. I had to get that out. I can go all the way down this road to Hopkins. Once I get to Hopkins, I make a left. And I think I have enough juice to get to where I'm going. Okay, which sidewalk? That sidewalk over there looks a little bit better. So we'll just take this over here. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out my range here. Okay, I've gone 16 miles and I'm down 12%. I'm probably going to run out of battery before I get to my next destination. Yeah, it's at 15%. But I got it on passenger assist 3 though, so I'm pretty much going to run out of battery, which is about right. I did 10 miles and then I stopped. Then I did almost 3 more, 3 more, then I stopped. So that's 13. On this trip is 4. So that's about, I would say, 17. So that's good for me. If I can get anywhere near 20, and I've got extra weight on me too. Yeah, that's good for me, man. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to stop and get a little juice here. I'm down to 10% on the battery bar, which I don't trust, so I'm going to put it on volts. Voltage is at 43.6. Now, if I get to 30, so I'm getting close to dead on the battery. I'm probably going to have to switch it out in a little bit. But I'm very impressed with the range on it though. So like I said, anything above 17 for my size and my weight, it's excellent. It's excellent. Yeah, it says I'm down to 10%. Alright, I don't want to get hit here. Oh, they're taking up the fucking side of the road. I'm meant to go on the grass. Sorry. There's no way I can avoid somebody's grass this time. Because they're having a party over there, boy. Yeah, okay, I'm meant to stay on this side. Yeah, they having a house party over there. What they supposed to do in the summertime. Summertime. Oh, I'm down to 3%. I'm down to 42% on the votes. 39 is dead. We might as well say 40 is dead. See what I'm talking about? No, this is a bike lane. I'm on the wrong side though, but it's the bike lane. I think if I go pedal assist 2, I might make it to where I'm going without running out of juice here. But someone's turning their driveway. But I'm very, very impressed. with the mileage that I've gotten on this one battery alone. So, hold on. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video right here for now. I hope you enjoyed the extra little. Well, maybe I might be able to get there. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I doubt if I get up this hill. I doubt if I get up this hill without the battery giving out on me. That's what I'm trying to say. Got a little house party going on right there in the back. A couple of them today might be pool parties. I think I just might make my next destination without running out of battery, so that was the game plan anyway. I'm very impressed that it actually even did it. I'm very impressed. Yeah, that's 17 miles. And before I was getting 10. On my previous build, I would get 10 miles and that was it. Now that I'm getting 17, 18 off of one battery, man, I'm very happy. Very happy with that. Because I had always had range anxiety every time I rode. Now see how what I was talking about earlier, this bike lane right here, or this shoulder is much wider than the street I was previous on. Oh yeah, looks like I'm gonna make it to my destination because I got 41 on the volts. As we all know, on a 48 volt 13.5 battery, going by the battery chart, 39 is when you're out. I got 41.5, so it looks like I'm gonna make it to my destination. It looks like I'm gonna have about 18 miles, 19 miles on my battery, which I'm very happy about. So now I know my true distance. So I'm very happy with that. So with that being said, I'm gonna end the video here. Nice hot day in Buffalo, New York. I've been outside all day today, man. I've been outside since about 10:30 this morning. I mean, I've been outside, yo. You don't know how many summers you're gonna get, Because I've seen some shit the past 2 weeks that makes you think about mortality. So I just want to say, as I'm ending this video, go out and enjoy life, man. You don't know how many days you get in this life. But the days you get, be productive, man. And may God look out after you just like he looks out after me. Because I know he looks out after me. So with that being said, I'm going to end the video right here. Y'all be safe out here in these streets, man. Like, I really mean that when I say that. All right, peace out.